Okay, now it's Estrella's turn. This is her first bath.
This is a new addition to the family. So we're going to say that.
Yeah, she sure is. Now it's her and Luna.
Quick shower because you boys haven't been bathed.
Since they've been born.
Yeah.
Now they're actually going to be white, not gray.
Not gray. People are asking me, oh, that's a great color, not common, it's gray. I'm like, nah, they're just dirty. Ah, you little fat boy.
It's a really, really hot day. So she's enjoying it. Okay, just wanted to share this with you guys.